At night after a long hard-working day, we would like to sleep peacefully and restore the energy. We go for a good sleep at night and again wake up early in the morning. But, do you know during the time you sleep we do experience some activities, which remain a mystery for science as well. Nevertheless, it is almost difficult to find a person who has never encountered some strange and unpleasant sensations accompanying sleep. So, that is why we have created this video to show you what really happens when we sleep. For this reason, do watch this video till the end because it is all related to your mind and body. And we guarantee that you will be shocked after you have known all these things. So, let's begin. Number 9. Sleep paralysis. Most people say a similar thing to compare sleep as a loss of motion. They express that it feels like dead when we sleep. You realize that your brain is alert and your body isn't. When you enter the state of deep sleep, your brain tells the body's voluntary muscles to relax and go into a state of paralysis. In sleep, the body remains unable to move or feel while the brain awakens and the eyes start to open. Sufferers become alert in a short-lived conscious state, but they are unable to move their muscles or speak. Number 8. Strange activities of your eyes. As you rest, you encounter 5 periods of rest, with rapid eye movement, that is REM, as the last and most dynamic stage. When you finish an REM cycle, you'll begin the principal stage once more. 70 to 80 minutes after you fall asleep, you should be in REM sleep, and you'll spend about 20% of your time sleeping at this stage. During REM sleep, our eyes show strange activities and moves quickly back and forth. But we typically have no memory of this other than memories of dreams that often happen during this phase. The person sees strange pictures before his eyes. Often these are scary faces and fantastic creatures. This happens with children more often, which could be the reason they don't want to go to sleep. Such activities happen due to stress or imagination. This often happens with drunk persons during their deep sleep. Number 7. A temporary pause in breathing. Have you ever noticed what actually happens when you suddenly wake up from your dream? There occurs a sudden stop of breathing during a deep sleep dream. The person wakes up as a result. The quality of sleep decreases, the brain experiences oxygen starvation, and it becomes very hard to get enough sleep. You may have noticed snoring as well. Do you know why it actually happens? It's because while you sleep, your breathing changes and your throat naturally narrows a bit as your muscles relax. It's due to why the person snores noisily, very often during their deep sleep. Number 6. Recurring dreams. Probably till date each and every one of you has had strange recurring dreams, which constantly reproduce and make you dream the same scene again and again. Researchers believe that it's a natural process that our brain uses such dreams to make us pay attention to something we didn't notice in our daily life. And believe it not, these dreams continue until and unless the situation is resolved. Many people continue having the same or a similar dream many times over their lifetime. Repeating dreams generally mean there is something in your life you've not recognized, and this is causing worry or some likeness thereof. The unknown theory is that individuals who encounter repeating dreams have a type of injury in their past they are attempting to manage. In this case, the dreams tend to change and becomes less with time. Number 5. Your body releases growth hormones. Do you know that you grow while you are asleep? Human growth hormone helps muscles, bone, and other tissues regenerate and grow. And your body pumps out growth hormones when you are in a state of relaxed posture during your deep sleep. You also grow a little taller every day due to the release of this hormone. This helpful hormone is released especially in its deepest stages during a sleep. Experts estimate that as much as 75% of human growth hormone is released during sleep. For instance, a survey was conducted amongst many women, and it was seen that the better their night's sleep is, the better they become naturally beautiful and taller and energetic with time. Number 4. Your brain removes the toxic wastes. Have you ever noticed why after a deep sleep you just feel better? Scientists have proved that people feel much better and healthy after a good night deep sleep. Just not only this, recent research showed that when you are asleep your brain removes toxic byproducts from the brain neurons. A recent study has also proved that the waste removal systems in the brain are more active during sleep. Thus, it was seen that we sleep to allow time to clear away toxic byproducts that would create the problem in our mind's thinking and abilities. Number 3. You start making up stories. You have been awakened from a deep sleep dream. Now what? You start wondering if it was real or why your mind produced that crazy mishmash of a story. This is a neuropsychological phenomenon during which a person goes into a state of curiosity and wonders about all that has occurred during his dreams. In spite of much research into imagining and many guesses about why we dream and what dreams mean, is still a mystery. Researchers have not yet made sense of why we dream as we do, or found a demonstrated procedure that would clarify the subject even more clearly. Number 2. Creates an explosion around you. You may have noticed that in an instance you wake up from a sensation of a loud explosion or a clap. Once in a while, the sound appears to be stunning. It can be accompanied by an increasing buzz or a flash. This is not dangerous, yet it frightens individuals. Some think they have had a stroke. It is usually painless, but frightening, and tends to occur in adults over 50 years of age. This happens when for some unknown reasons there occurs a sudden rush of nerve-related action in the person's mind in charge of handling the sound. Number 1. Sudden understanding during sleep. Yes, your brain gives you a clue to some of your most unsolved problems. Now and again we cannot discover a solution to a problem for a long time, and so we constantly think about it. And after that, in a dream, the mind gives us a clue. Presently the most important part is to remember it, which will surely help you to solve the mysterious problems you encountered. It is because of the fact that our subconscious mind already knows the answer to our problem. While during sleep, the subconscious is more active and could provide the insights and analytics to our problems. Sleep is great indeed, but sometimes it comes with even more cheerfulness, liveliness, or in a much interesting way. Get more of such interesting and fascinating contents. Stay updated and never miss any of our videos, so do subscribe and hit on the bell icon. And finally, thanks for watching.